Tired of the daily grind? Stuck in a dead-end job? Imagine earning $35 an hour from the comfort of your own home. It's not a dream. Companies worldwide are hiring live chat assistants right now. No experience, no problem. This could be your ticket to financial freedom and a better lifestyle. Keep reading to learn more. The demand for live chat assistants is exploding. Businesses everywhere need friendly online helpers. You can work for companies across the globe, all while wearing your pajamas. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone seeking a work-from-home job with excellent pay. Don't miss out on this wave of online employment. What does a live chat assistant actually do? You might be wondering if it's a complex job or if it requires special skills. It's simpler than you think. Essentially, your role is to assist customers by answering their questions through a chat window on a website. You'll be the friendly face behind the screen, providing real-time support and ensuring customers have a smooth experience. Don't worry, you won't be alone. You'll be part of a team, collaborating and sharing insights to help each other out. You'll have access to a comprehensive knowledge base with all the information you need at your fingertips. This resource will guide you through most of the questions you'll encounter. Think of it like having a helpful cheat sheet. Whenever you're unsure, you can quickly refer to it and find the answers you need. With each question you answer, you'll become more confident and skilled. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of the products or services you're supporting, making you an invaluable asset to the team. Section 4. Freedom and flexibility at your fingertips. Say goodbye to rush hour traffic and rigid office hours. Imagine a life where you no longer have to wake up at the crack of dawn just to beat the morning commute. No more stressful drives or crowded public transport. As a live chat assistant, you choose your own schedule. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you have the freedom to work when you're most productive. Work from anywhere with an internet connection. Your couch, a coffee shop, or even a co-working space. The choice is yours. Imagine working from a beach in Bali with the sound of waves in the background. The world is your office. This job offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to balance work and life seamlessly, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Spend your mornings on a hobby, your afternoons working, and your evenings with family. Spend more time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and create a lifestyle that suits you. Enjoy the freedom you deserve. Embrace a career that adapts to your life, not the other way around. Section 5. Ready to start earning? This is the moment you've been waiting for. The opportunity to turn your skills into a steady income stream is right at your fingertips. Taking the first step is easy. It all begins with a single action, a decision to move forward. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead once you make that choice. Many websites specialize in connecting chat assistants with companies seeking their skills. These platforms are designed to make the job search process seamless and efficient. Simply create a profile, highlight your strengths, and browse available positions. Your profile is your digital resume, showcasing your abilities to potential employers. You'll be amazed at the variety and volume of opportunities waiting for you. From customer service to technical support, the range of roles is vast and diverse. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Time is of the essence, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Start your journey towards a more fulfilling and financially rewarding career as a live chat assistant today. Embrace the flexibility and freedom that comes with working from home and take control of your professional future. Click the link in the description and complete your application now.